They really deserve everything you've done for them, and I hope you continue to support them. Of course, you guys can always see that James is always, I don't know what you would call it, good looking. But Devon, iba ang ganda niya dito. Iba talaga ang ganda niya. Anyway.
Ngayon lang.
Yeah. Bogey pala. Sorry lang. Bogey pala. Anyway, Brother Devon.
James.
Thank you, Ivan. Next, we have Trisha Santos. And belated happy birthday pala for Trisha.
Magiginig.
Happy birthday, James and Devon. You guys are very lucky that you have fans like the James and Jen. Ang wish ko sa inyong dalawa, I'm looking for the both of you, more success. Tapos, Devon, stay pretty. James, stay very, very nice. Ayun lang. Thank you.
Thank you, Trisha. Next, we have Miss Hannah Flores.
Happy birthday, Devon, and I just want to say thank you for the friendship. And like, sana James, yumaman ka pa. Para whenever we go out, you pay for everything. I'm kidding.
I like that.
Ayan, Devon, grabe, sobrang successful mo. As in, super talaga, napapanood kita lagi sa TV. And masasabi ko na I'm sure that you'll be one of the biggest stars in the future. And ikaw rin, James, na sobrang guwapo. Na joke. Ayan, so happy birthday and I wish you guys all the best. I'm here for you guys.
Thank you, Hannah. Next, we have Mr. Ryan Bang.
Malakas ba to?
No.
Hindi? Ikaw, try mo. Hello! Maraming salamat sa iyo punta dito sa press ko. Parents, maraming salamat po. Ito, gusto ko sabihin ko kay Devon, bakit hindi mo kasama yung kapatid mo? Gwapo ako, bisita ako dito. Walang kapatid. Basta gusto ko sabihin ko kayo, happy 18. 18 ka pala, akala ko. 18 ka ba? Basta happy birthday. And then you, James, my best friend from Australia, English, you just sit there. Bye-bye. Thank you. It's for you.
Thank you, Ryan. Next, we have Miss Lee Oyemo.